Leading a healthy lifestyle and maintaining a well-balanced diet can keep our eyes healthy and significantly reduce our risk of developing serious eye conditions. Foods that are rich in nutrients, vitamins, and minerals can help us prevent eye conditions such as cataracts, glaucoma, age-related macular degeneration, poor night vision, and dry eyes. Omega-3 fatty acids, lutein, copper, zeaxanthin, zinc, vitamins A, C, E, and beta-carotene are all vital for our eye health. Let's take a look at some nutrient-rich foods that will boost our eye health. Oily fish. These are fish that have oil in their gut and body tissue, and eating them offers higher levels of omega-3 rich fish oil. The fish that contains the most beneficial levels of omega-3 fats include tuna, trout, salmon, mackerel, sardines, herring, and anchovies. According to some studies, fish oil can reverse dry eye, and can contribute to visual development and the health of the retina in the back of the eye. Salmon in particular is an excellent source of healthy fats. Opt for wild-caught salmon as opposed to farm-raised, if possible. Legumes, nuts, and seeds. These are another great source of omega-3 fatty acids. In addition, nuts also contain high levels of vitamin E, which can protect the eye from age-related damage like macular degeneration and cataracts. Lentils, peanuts, cashews, Brazil nuts, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds are all beneficial to our eye health. Leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, and collards are all packed with vitamin C, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Lutein and zeaxanthin aren't made in the body, so you have to incorporate them into your diet. Kale especially is known as a superfood by many, because it contains so many important vitamins, nutrients, and minerals. It's extremely good for eye health. Carrots. Carrots are well known to be good for eye health. They are rich in vitamin A and beta-carotene, both of which help the surface of the eye, and help prevent eye infections and other serious eye conditions. Vitamin A plays an essential role in vision. It is a component of a protein called rhodopsin, which helps the retina to absorb light. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of lutein and zeaxanthin, and they also contain vitamins C and E and zinc. The vitamin A in yolk safeguards the cornea. Lutein and zeaxanthin lower the chances of getting serious eye conditions like age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Zinc contributes to the health of the retina. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that fights age-related eye damage. Vitamin C-rich citrus fruits include lemons, oranges, and grapefruits. A well-balanced diet helps us stay at healthy weight, which reduces our chances of obesity-related diseases, like type 2 diabetes, which is the leading cause of blindness in adults. If you experience problems with your eyes, see your doctor, as early intervention can prevent more serious conditions from developing. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great day and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.